Good morning, dear students.
Good morning,
Miss.
Okay, let's start our class with a silent prayer for just 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, did you all pray?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
So, what is a prayer? Nandu, what is prayer?
It's a communication with God.
Okay, very good. So, it is a communication with God. Nandu's explanation is that he said prayer is a communication with God. Then, Pramada, what is prayer in your opinion?
Spiritual communication.
It says spiritual communication. Okay. Then, Ashwati, what is prayer in your opinion?
Prayer is actually to calm our mind. The way to calm our mind.
Okay, very good. So, we got 3 explanations from our 3 students, and one said that it is a communication with the God, another said that it is a spiritual communication, and prayer is something that calm our mind. So are you all familiar? We all pray in our day-to-day life in order to express gratitude. It is a solemn request to the God, a supernatural power, isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Then, which season is now? Which season we are experiencing now?
Rainy.
It's a rainy season. So, then Shahana, can you say different seasons?
Seasons, spring, autumn,
Spring season, autumn season, yes.
summer season,
Summer season,
rainy, winter.
Rainy season, winter season. Okay. So, mainly we classify the seasons into four types of seasons are generally said. That is summer season, winter season, autumn season and spring season. So, I will show you a small presentation and I want one of you to identify the seasons from the given picture. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So there are 2 pictures given and from this picture I want Pramada, can you identify the 4 different seasons from picture A?
Spring season, winter season, summer season.
Summer season. Then yellow leaves are there, one picture. Which season is there?
Autumn.
Autumn season. Then Vani, can you identify the 4 seasons in the picture B?
Summer, autumn, spring,
Spring. Then
winter.
winter. Okay, very good. Now, so we all are familiar with different seasons. And which is your favorite season, Abana? What is your favorite season?
Spring.
Okay, spring season. Then, why is spring our favorite season, or what are the specialties of spring season?
It's very calm and pleasant.
Flowers bloom in that season.
Flowers blooming then. It's very fresh, calm season then.
Mind
We can see a lot of trees in full bloom, apple orchards in full bloom, isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Now I will show you a picture which contains some of the specialties of spring season. Okay, are you interested in seeing the specialties of spring season?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, then we can see that what are the some of the specialties of spring season. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes. What all things do you see? In the first picture, you can see a honeybee sucking nectar from a flower. Can you see that?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Then, in the second picture, what you can see?
Flower.
Flowers blooming, germination, sprouting of new plants, isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Then, in the third picture, you can see what? Cherry blossoms. No.
Yes, Miss.
Can you
Yes,
see
yes,
cherry
yes, yes.
blossoms? Yes. Then, in the fourth picture, what can you see? Have you orchard. What is this picture?
Apple orchard.
Orchards. Then the fifth picture, what you can see?
Bird.
Birds collecting nectar. Then last picture, what you can see?
Shooting stars.
Meteors or shooting stars. So all these pictures show some of the special phenomena that can be observed only in spring season. So what all are these things? Can anyone name them?
We can see sights of nature,
Sights of nature.
seasons,
Honeybees.
animals, honeybees,
Bird.
birds, flowers,
Flowers. Meteor showers.
meteor showers.
Apple blossoms and also cherry blossoms. So these are the things that we can see in spring season, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
So today we are learning a poem called A Prayer in Spring that is written by Robert Frost. Are you familiar with Robert Frost?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Who is Robert Frost? Can anyone give a small definition?
American poet.
He is a American poet. Then, what is his specialty? He writes poems on the rural realities. He writes poems on the rural realities, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then I will show you a small profile of Robert Frost, and I want Swati to read the profile. Swati, are you there?
Okay, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, I will show. Swati, can you read it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then please read.
Robert Frost, an American poet, admired for realistic verse, depicts rural life of New England. Works The Road Not Taken, After Apple Picking. Awards won Pulitzer Prize 4 times. Nominated for Nobel Prize 31 times.
Okay, so here we can see a small profile of Robert Frost. He is an American poet and he is admired for his realistic verse, and in most of his poems we can see the rural life of New England, and his famous works are The Road Not Taken and After Apple Picking, and he won the Pulitzer Prize 4 times. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So in this poem, A Prayer in Spring, Robert Frost is saying that we must enjoy the beauty and we must gain pleasure and joy from the nature. So the poet is saying that in order to seek, instead of seeking pleasure in something that is far away, we have to find the pleasure and joy in the things that is around us. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes. So here the poet is saying that we have to find the joy and pleasure in the flowers around us, the trees around us, and the happy bees around us. We have to find the happiness. We have to find the joy and pleasure in the things that is surrounding us. Isn't it? Is it a good?
Yes, miss.
Is it a good thing?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We have to always find the happiness surrounding us. So I will take more about, we will discuss more about this lesson in the next class, and I hope all of you a very happy and nice day. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.